Page 11, Love Jesus Christ. On this, we're starting to get even more complicated on the hands and when they're playing and what's going on, because you see a lot of chord arrest going on here, huh? You got to be quiet for one beat. So in the right hand, it's like you're in C position still. So it's like one rest, one rest. And then you get down to the third line, there's no rest here, so you're playing all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, there. So the right hand, watch the rests. And the left hand, again, you got the rests. You got 1, rest, 3, rest, rest, rest. Second line's the same, and then you got a bunch of whole notes and whatnot going on out on the third line and the fourth line. Not bad for the left hand. Put the hands together, and you got here at the beginning, it's 1, rest, rest. See, the rhythm is different in each hand, and this is, I think, the first time we've done this sort of this complicated. So work it out carefully. You can't have any hesitations in the beat. The beat's got to keep going. So you got to be ready to go on whatever happens. Phrasing wise, they're only giving you phrasing in the right hand for the first 2 lines. They don't give any phrasing for the last 2 lines. I don't know why they don't, but they don't. You can put in phrasing if you want. Just follow the words. If you see the words in the third line, there's a semicolon in the last measure. That would end a phrase. So it's like the phrase would go from the beginning of the third line over to and include that half note in the last measure. Then the 2 quarter notes would start a new phrase, going to the next line, and that would end it, the piece. There's a couple tricky spots in here for the left hand. I'm going to talk about them a little later in other pieces. At the end of the first line going into the seconds, you're going from here to here. That can be tricky. Talk a little later about how you can do that a little more easily. Also going from the end of the second line to the third line in the left hand, you're going from here to here. That can be tricky, but I'll show you again how we can do that, but I'm going to do it a little later video. You got enough to think about right here. Just do the best you can for now. And here again, they're putting the words above the stabs. Rather than normally, you'd find the words in between the stabs. Sometimes they'll print the words at the bottom of the page, and it's up to you to fit the words in where it goes. That's always a fun puzzle to put together. So let's try this together slowly. It is repeated. We're going to play it twice. Dynamics, you do the dynamics. It has to do with the melody, and the melody's in the right hand, so bring out the melody. We want to hear the C over here. Don't play in the same. No, don't. Play the right hand louder and the left hand softer. We want to hear the right hand. Moderately fast, you do moderately fast. We're going to go slow. I'll give us 4 counts. It's the 4/4 time, and we're in C position. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, rest. 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 Repeat. Rest. Rest. 2,